And then afterwards, we went up into Manong country and had another celebration at Budak. We met with the Christians there and had a wonderful time. Pastor Ramahluan and all of the Christians there send you their greetings. Now this morning, we are thinking of the birth of Jesus in Bethlehem. Up to now, you've been getting in both Bunong and English, so we will continue to do it that way. Mrs. Phillips will be translating into English. I would like to begin by reading in Luke chapter 2. Luca Kobar Trong Pa. Hamari deh maduhe kon bokra. Pang put mabok. Jiri lung tam hip gern drog. Jola motong en tok makan pang. In pak che baranteu naam pra.
We have distributed 2 songs.
Ngoài jing ke xiao pu ta Bethlehem. Jing du naam pra Noel bum hen kra je ta Greensboro kapmen.
One was A Wind is Blowing in Bethlehem. This is a song that has just been put into Bunong in Greensboro.
Until bar jing mai lei je chung hadait. Jing naam pra Noel tam drom samut naam pra mhe. Pang mhe luh je tam bri Vietnam nam ada.
The second one is You Left Your Throne.
Le bar naam pra nain koit mana hamari Yosef mode get to ku we tam bon Bethlehem tam mang budet ma Quran he Yesu.
Both songs speak of Mary and Joseph who couldn't find a good place in Bethlehem the night that our Lord Jesus was born.
Cấp min nang ai kan mai ekit o naam pra ad ore gap maram pra Lord jiri gap maran te an ma kan ai mai.